All right, guys, we are going to be unboxing, what is this, Gracie?
The jigsaw.
Okay, and this is a part of what? The V20 Craftsman line made by Stanley Black & Decker. You get a 3-year limited warranty, and these tools are very, very similar to the portal cable system, almost identical. Partly probably because Stanley Black & Decker makes portal cable. So it's a nice system. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, did you want to go ahead and shoot off the part number?
CMCS600B.
All right. Again, this is a very rough cut. We have been out in the woods today, and these just came off the UPS truck, so we wanted to go ahead and get it done before it got dark. So it's getting kind of late right now. This is my little staging area for pallets right now. I've been getting a little collection going. All right. Shh. We're trying to make a YouTube video. What the heck?
That was an adapter.
It came with what? An adapter? That's the bottom of the jigsaw.
Yeah. What?
All right. Try to pull that cardboard out with you. Didn't say tear it up. Again, very rough. Stack that manual. We don't need that, but I put it in an old filing cabinet. I keep them all together usually. All right, so it come with a free blade. All right, what else did it come with? Anything else?
It's cool.
Yeah.
Nope.
All right, so just the tool only. This one looks kind of like that portal cable one we had, ain't it? Very, very similar. All right. No blade in it, so she ain't gonna hurt herself. But she knows how to use these tools. Go ahead.
It's a push thing.
Does it stay in there? It's like the... That's cool. It ain't like the chainsaw. I like that. I wish the chainsaw did that. All right, so it's got your different speeds, it looks like. It also looks like you can adjust the bevel of the shoe. Is there a... Sometimes, yeah, it's got the Versa stacked belt loop system. Nope, there it is. Look at that. Flip it on the other side. There's the Allen wrench that adjusts the shoe. Made into the tool. I love that. I love how they do that. They did the same thing on the miter saw. So out of curiosity, let's take the battery off. Go ahead and pop that battery off. Now I was told that this thing took both blades, the T-shank and the regular ones, and I believe it does. I'll have to try that out. It did come with a T-shank though, which I like those better. All right, so that's it. What do you think?
Good.
All right. All right, a little bonus video of the jigsaw. We're good. I like it. It actually feels good. That's on the 2 amp hour battery. I like it.